Shalom Israel, I'm Lady Sarai,
And I'm Etna.
and we're back again with another line dance tutorial. Today's line dance is to I Just Can't by the Israelites. I hope y'all all enjoy it, and we have the sisters here with us to help us demonstrate. All right, y'all ready to get started? The first step is super easy. You're just gonna salsa to the right, salsa to the left, salsa to the right, and salsa to the left. All right, and that's just 4 count. And after that, so the last step will be the salsa to the left. You're gonna take your left hand, put it over your tummy, take your right hand, you're gonna hold it out just like this, and you're just gonna step 2 and 4. And when you move over your left foot, you're gonna be on your toes, and it's gonna just step over to kind of help you. All right? From there, you're gonna spin around. So we're gonna start from the step to the left. Step to the right, excuse me. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and spin. And when you spin, you're gonna kind of dip down, kind of like you're scooping. It looks like this. All right? Once you come back around, the next step is just salsa to the front with the right foot first. So salsa front, salsa back with the left. So right, left, right, left. All right, and that's just a 4 count. From there, you're gonna take your left hand out this time, put the right one over your tummy, and you're gonna actually move to the left. Same thing, that right foot is on your toes, and you're moving over. 2, 3, and 4. All right? And don't forget, you can stop, pause, rewind, so you can get the steps down. All right, so from there, once we actually moved over 4 times, you're gonna spin around to the left. So we're gonna start from the step. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and spin. 2, 3, 4. All right, the very next step from there is kind of like a pump. You're just moving up. You're gonna start with your right foot. It looks like this. All right, and that's just 1, 2, 3, 4. From there, you're gonna put your arms down, and your left foot is gonna be forward because we started with our right foot, and you're just gonna move backwards. The left foot stays in front of you. The move looks just like this. And your arms are going down to the side. Just try to make your hands really cute when you're going down. Make it your own. Right, and you're gonna go back 4 times. Right, so we're gonna start from the top. We're gonna start with that right foot over to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Salsa right, salsa left, salsa right, salsa left. And 1, 2, 3, 4, around. 2, 3, 4. Salsa front, back, and left. 2, 3, 4, around. 2, 3, 4, and pump. Right, left, back, back, back. One more time. Pump, pump. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are almost done. All right, so from there, this is my very favorite part. What you're gonna do is you're gonna step back with your right foot, step back with your left, back with your right, and actually when you come back over to the right, you're just gonna turn all the way around. And all together that looks like this. Right, left, right, and spin. And you're gonna back to the beginning. Super easy. So when you come out of the spin, you're gonna right into the salsa right from the beginning. Salsa left, salsa right, salsa left. All right, that is everything. We're gonna put the music with it, and let's get right into it.